yesterday we discussed about slope. Slope is nothing but difference between the ratio of difference between y coordinates and x coordinates is called slope. Let us see problems on this, and section formula also we know. What is section formula? m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m1 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Now let us see the derivation of section formula. Let us see today. In a Cartesian plane, x, y, y dash, x dash, suppose 2 points A and B, coordinates of A x1 comma y1 and the coordinates of B x2 comma y2. Suppose P is a point, P divides the 2 points in the ratio m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. This is m1, this is m2. The coordinates of P. The coordinates of P are x comma y. Drop two perpendiculars from A to x-axis and B to x-axis. Perpendicular. Suppose AP and BQ. Drop a perpendicular from A to x-axis and B to x-axis. So which meets x-axis at P and which meets via x-axis at Q. Then I drop a perpendicular BQ from A. Suppose this is R. Now let us find the ratio. See here AP by BP is equal to m1 by m2. And let us denote the up to here. This is x1 and this is y1. Totally this is y2 and up to here is y2. Is y2, right? If I want the distance of P and Q, distance between P and Q is equal to y2 minus x1. y2 minus x1, am I right? y2 minus x1. This is minus x1. Automatically this is a rectangle. Which becomes y2 minus x1. The distance between BR, the length of BR is BR equal to y2 minus, this is y1, y2 minus BR is equal to y2 minus y1. Clear? Here the triangles and extend to horizon. Drop a perpendicular from P also. Drop a perpendicular from P. Let us write again. Suppose 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. The point P divides joining line segment of AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. The coordinates of P x comma y. Draw perpendiculars from A to x axis, B to x axis and P to x axis. Suppose AQ, PR and BS. Drop a perpendicular from A to PR. Suppose T, and drop a perpendicular from P to BS. Suppose this is U, right? And then some things we are going to be derived here. Up to here, this is horizon 0, 0. Coordinates of the horizon are 0, 0. This is x1. This is y1. Clear? Try to listen carefully here. Try to observe also. Otherwise, you can't understand this. This is x1. From the point A indicates which is x1 units from y-axis and y1 units from x-axis. That is like that. This is totally up to here is y. Totally from horizon to use the, this is up to here is x. QR equal to x minus x1. Clear? QR. This is x minus x1. And this obviously this is a rectangle. So this is also x minus x1. Then here to here, I mean to say OS equal to, right here, and AP by BP is equal to M1 by M2, and drop perpendiculars from A, P and B to x-axis. X-axis. OQ equal to x1 comma OR is equal to x QR equal to x minus x1. I mean to say QR equal to OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ equal to OR is x, OQ is x1, x minus x1. Understand? This is OR. I want only QR. So take OR, cut OQ. So OR is x, cut means subtract x1. QR is equal to x minus x1. Then at the same time, this is y. This is also y up to here. This is a rectangle. That's why this is also y. Totally the BS is y2 and OS is also x2. I want RS. I don't know, not ORS. RS. From to find the RS, OS minus OR, right? OS minus OR. Represent the values here. PR equal to this is U, no? US equal to Y, and then OS is equal to x2 comma BS is equal to y2. I want here RS equal to OS minus OR, total OS minus OR, up to here cut it. OS minus OR, which is equal to OS is x2 minus OR is x, OR is x, x2 minus x. Clear? So this is x2 minus x. This is also x2 minus x because that is a rectangle. This is also rectangle. Here A, Q, R, T is a rectangle, P, R, S, U is a rectangle. And then draw a line parallel. This is AT is perpendicular to PR. At the same time, AT is parallel to x-axis, and PU is also parallel to x-axis. When the two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. So one is interior angle, one is exterior angle. These two are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle P, and T is equal to U. Those are right angles. Angle similarity. Those triangles are similar. What are the triangles? AGP and PUB are similar triangles. Right here. And draw AT parallel to x-axis, AT parallel to x-axis, and PU parallel to x-axis. Clear? Next thing is what I derived here. Triangle ATP is similar to triangle PUB. Since A similarity. Right? Then corresponding sides of equal. AT by corresponding sides are proportional. AT by PU equal to AP by BP equal to PT by BU. Clear? So, what is AT here? That implies AT by PU equal to AP by BP, comma PT by BU is equal to AP by BP. Implies substitute values. AT is x minus x1. AT is equal to x minus x1, comma PT is equal to, or PT value also we need to find here. Totally PR is equal to PR is equal to US. PR is equal to US. Okay, that is Y. Now I want the value of PT. PT is equal to PR minus TR. PR minus TR. What is PR here? PR is Y minus TR. TR is, this is a rectangle. So what is rectangle? AQRT is a rectangle, then opposite sides are equal. This is Y1 means this is also Y1. So PR minus RT equal to Y minus Y1. Y minus Y1. At the same time, we need to find the value of BU also. BU is equal to BR minus SU. BS minus SU. Comma BU is equal to BS minus US. What is BS here? BS is Y2 minus US. US is Y. Right? Substitute the values in the above equation. AT implies, suppose this is 1. 1 implies AT x minus x1 by PU. PU is equal to, P also we didn't find here, PU x2 minus x1. Already written here, AT and PU. That also write here. AT is equal to x minus x1, comma PU is equal to x2 minus x. x2 minus x. That's it. This one. AT is x minus x1 by PU is x2 minus x. x2 minus x, which is equal to AP by BP. AP by BP is equal to M1 by M2. Section formula derivation this is. M1 by M2, comma PT. What is PT here? Pt is y minus y1. Y minus y1 by Bu. Bu is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y, that's it. Bu is equal to ap by bp, m1 by m2. So next, cross multiplication. I want x and y values here. Implies m2x minus m2x1 equal to m1x2 minus m1x. In second condition, m2y minus m2y1 equal to m1y2 minus m1y. So implies m1x plus m2x equal to m2 transfer to that side, m2x1 m1x2 plus, first write this, m1x2 plus m2x1. Same way y terms transfer to left side, m1y plus m2y equal to m1y2 plus m2y1. Take here x as common, m1 plus m2 equal to m1x2 plus m2x1. Y as common, m1 plus m2 equal to m1y2 plus m2y1, right? So implies x equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma y equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Therefore coordinates of P are px comma y equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. These are the coordinates of P. This is section formula. Here P divides internally joining the line segment of AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. This is known as section formula. Note, Suppose AB joining line segment AB AX1 Y1 BX2 Y2. These are the coordinates. Suppose P is a point, P divides that joining line segment 1:1 ratio. Let us suppose that first of all K:1 ratio. Then the formula is P coordinates x comma y. P x comma y equal to K x2 plus x1 by 1 into x1 only. K plus 1 comma K y2 plus y1 by K plus 1. When which divides K:1 ratio. Which divides 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio means up to here is 1, here is 1. 1 unit distance, 1 unit distance. That means that is the midpoint. So coordinates of a midpoint. So P divides 1:1 ratio. Suppose P x comma y divides joining line segment of AB, joining line segment AB in the ratio 1:1. Then P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. So coordinates of P equal to Px comma y. Let us derive. We have a formula, section formula m2x m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Apply that. Instead here m1, this is m1, this is m2. The coordinates a and b are same, ax1 y1 and b x2 y2. Substitute here m1 is 1 and m2 is also 1. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1 and 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. For this is x2 plus x1, that can be written as x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. P x comma y equal to P is a midpoint. Therefore a x1 y1 b x2 y2, then coordinates of midpoint of AB, then coordinates of midpoint of AB is P x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint. To find a midpoint, we have to use this formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us solve the problems using these two formulas. The centroid also will derive them. Then after we will continue the process. Trisection points of a plane. What is meant by median? What is meant by median? Suppose triangle A, B, C. The line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of opposite side is called median. The line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. Suppose I am going to draw a median from A, then I have to join with midpoint of BC. Suppose midpoint of BC is D. Then AD is a median. Suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 comma y3. These are the coordinates of vertices. The median is nothing but the line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of opposite side is called median. So AD is median. Like that we can draw three medians. Suppose midpoint of AC is E and midpoint of AB is F. Join BE and join CF. The concurrent point of medians is centroid. G is centroid. This is G, centroid. So coordinates of G. Suppose G x comma y. G divides median AD in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 ratio which divides. G divides the median AD in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 ratio. So the coordinates of D. D is the midpoint of BC now. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 are the coordinates of D. Are you okay? So x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. These are the coordinates of D. Then the coordinates of G are G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. That means m1, m2. Coordinates of G. Section formula Gx comma y is equal to m1 x2. Here A is x1 comma y1 and D is x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2. G. So m1 x2 2 into this is x1 y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Let's suppose that m1 x2 so x2 plus x3 by 2 plus m1 y2. m1 is 1, y2 m1 x2 plus m1 m2 x1. What is x1? x1 is x1 by totally by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1. Understand? Actually we have a formula m2 x2 plus m1 x1 by m1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Everybody should remember this. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. So m1 is 1 here, m1 x2, x2 is this one, x2 plus x3 by 2, I written that, plus, for plus I written plus, m2 is 1, x1 is x1 only, m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1 is 3, comma, this one I am going to write here down because there is no place, right here. x2 y2 g x comma y equal to 2 into m1 x2 is x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 m1 m2 x1 is x1 only by 2 plus 1 comma second one m1 y2 m1 is 2, y2 is y2 plus y3 by 2 plus m2 y1, m2 is 1, y1 is also y1 by 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 2 and this 2 which is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3 comma y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 3. Therefore gx comma y equal to x2 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. These are the coordinates of z. Z is centroid. Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Next, midpoint formula. Midpoint means which divides 1:1 ratio. So x1, suppose a x1 y1 b x2 y2, then midpoint of ab is x1 plus x2 y2 y1 plus y2 y2. Clear? And then centroid formula. Centroid a x1 y1 b x2 y2 c x3 y3, then centroid g is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Clear? These are the formula we discussed today. Depend on these, we will solve the problems. Trisection tomorrow we discuss. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points internally. Find the point which divides the line segment joining given points. Given points are 3, 5 and 8, 10. Ratio given points are given ratio is 2:3. The dividing point we need here P. Given points are A and B. Ratio M1, M2. Find the point which divides in the line segment joining internally. Let the dividing point, let the dividing point Px, y. Px, y equal to section formula M1, x2. Let us suppose that x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula. Always should remember this. M1, x2 plus M2, x1 by M1 plus M2 and M1, y2 plus M2, y1 by M1 plus M2. So internally means plus, externally means minus. We discussed already before. So M1 2, x2 8 plus M2 3, x1 3 by M1 plus M2 2 plus 3, M1 y2 2, y2 10 plus M2 3, y1 5 by 2 plus 3. 16 plus 9 by 5, 20 plus 15 by 5, which is equal to 25 by 5, 35 by 5, 5, 7, 5, 7, Px, y is equal. The required point is, therefore, required point is 5, 7. Next, find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Second one, midpoint. Given points are A 2, 7 and B 12, minus 7. Then midpoint of the joining line segment. Midpoint of AB equal to 2 plus 12 by 2, comma 7 minus 7 by 2. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to 14 by 2, comma 0 by 2, which is equal to 7, comma 0. The midpoint of, therefore required point is Therefore, midpoint of the line segment joining. Therefore, midpoint of the line segment joining 2, 7 and 12, -7 is 7, 0. Understand? And try this. Page number 172. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. The median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of D. The first one will explain, reminding you complete it. Triangle has given here A, B, C. This is the midpoint and this is the midpoint. F is the midpoint of AB. A 4, 2, B 6, 5, C 1, 4. The median from A to B meets D. Find the coordinates of D point. So D is the midpoint of BC, the first one. Here D is midpoint of BC. D is D. Suppose x, y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, 9 by 2. Therefore, coordinates of B. Therefore, coordinates of D are 7 by 2, 9 by 2. And remains second one, find the coordinates of the point P, AD such that AP is to PD is 2:1, centroid. So coordinates of P, 2:1. So P is a centroid. And then use that section formula and then find the coordinates of P. Find the points which divides B in the ratio 2:1, so that divide the line segment CF in the ratio B and CF in the ratio. Find the point which divides the line segment B in the ratio 2:1 and also divide the line segment CF in the ratio 2:1. You have to use the section formula and find the coordinates of P. Here M1 is to M2 is 2:1 for these three line segments. Three line segments. What are the three line segments? AD and CF and B. The P is the concurrent point here. Understand? So P divides B 2:1 ratio 2:1. This is also 2:1. This is 2:1. Understand? Like that, you have to find the coordinates of P using AD P coordinates, using CF P coordinates, using BE P coordinates. Understand? So to find that D coordinates I got here 7 by 2, 9 by 2. Like that you can get the coordinates of E. E coordinates 5 by 2 and 3. So midpoint this is. And at the same time F is a midpoint of B, AB. So F coordinates, E coordinates, D coordinates you have. Then using the very first I explained the problem. A x1 y1 for B x2 y2. M1 is to M2 is 2 is to 1. Then find the coordinates. Understand? So roughly I am saying here the P, suppose P x comma y equal to m1 x2. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. M1 is 2, x2 is 7 by 2 plus m2 is 1, m2 x1, x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. M2, M1 is 2, Y1 is M1, Y2 is 9 by 2 plus M1, Y1 is 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 to 2. So 7 plus 4 by 3 comma 9 plus 2 by 3 which is equal to 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3 Px comma y when using AD. Like that you have to find P with the help of BE. The second also I explained. The median A meets, find the coordinates of P, AD such that AP is to PD is 2 is to 1. So third one you do it. In third one we have two cases. CF, which divides, P divides CF in the ratio CP is to PF is 2 is to 1. And BP is to PE is 2 is to 1 ratio. Find the coordinates of P with the help of the median CF and BE. Observe that what you observe, justify the point that divides each median in the ratio 2 is to 1 is the centroid of the triangle. Yes, so all the three cases you should get only 11 by 3. P coordinates, if I used AD median, I got P coordinates 11 by 3, 11 by 3. If you used BE, then also you should get 11 by 3, 11 by 3. If you used CF, then also you should get P coordinates 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. Finally, it says that the point which divides in the ratio 2 is to 1, that is the centroid of a triangle. Right? Do it as homework that one.